Welcome back to Yahoo Finance Live this morning, everyone. Major averages here in the U.S. are lower across the board, off of the session lows, but even within these first 11 minutes of trade, you're still seeing them in the red. For more, let's get on over to the Wi-Fi Interactive, where Jared Blikre joins us with a little bit more color on today's tape. Jared.
Yeah, unfortunately,
color's red.
The color is red. You took the words right out of my mouth, Julie. That's fine. Powell really meant it. He really did. We keep saying that, but let me show you the three-day price action in the S&P 500, because we are in a downtrend once again. That's off about 3.5%. The NASDAQ taking it on the chin a little bit more, down 5%. And let's take a longer term view of the S&P 500. This is over a few months here, 3 months. And here's the last peak that we had. Here is the last low. This is the low of the year. And we are right back down here. Pretty big day yesterday. And I think it's instructive to see what's happening in the bond market. We didn't really get the huge reaction yesterday, but overnight and this morning, we're seeing huge movement, a shift upwards in the yield curve. Now the 5-year is up 17 basis points. That is a huge amount. 10-year is up 14 basis points, 30-year up a little bit less, that's 9 basis points, and a 13-week T-bill yield closely matching the Fed funds rate. That's the very short end of the curve. That is flat right now, although it did punch to new relative highs yesterday. And the U.S. dollar, we haven't talked about, or I haven't talked about this in a few days, that is racing higher once again. Now, these are 20-year highs in the dollar index, and we've gone through it. It is influenced mainly by European, the euro, and also the pound. But I'll tell you what, here's another currency, Bitcoin. Even Bitcoin could barely get off the dime yesterday, although it's not selling off that much today, so maybe there's a ray of hope here. WTI crude futures, we're going to get some more futures action in a little bit, about $88 a barrel, nothing big going on there. Now, here's a sector action for today, energy in the forefront, but I want to give us a 2-day view so we can really see what has happened, what the market is pricing in terms of the Fed. We got XLK, that is the tech sector, that is down the most, 5%, followed by communication services and real estate. We didn't even get to the futures market. Natural gas here in a downtrend. New England worried about not having enough supplies for the winter. Europe also worried about not getting enough LNG. Nevertheless, we can see that market down 3% today.
Jared Blikre on fire at the board. Appreciate it.